Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Stuff by Wahid. Today we are going to discuss regarding the surveying chapter wise marks distribution in your reset examination. So I will give the brief regarding the chapter wise marks distributed year wise. So I have taken before online examination and after online examination chapter wise, and coming to the chapters, these are the 11 chapters have been made it. So here if you see this 15 marks and 8 to 9 marks, so this 15 marks is the marks before 2017, that is up to 2016 the surveying subject is to be have a marks distribution of around 15 marks in the ESET examination. But after 2017 nearly 4 to 5 subjects like design of steel structures, environmental engineering, transportation, like that, because of these subjects has been added extra, so these marks has been gone to 8 to 9 marks. So here I have taken 2016 to 19, and based upon the old previous question papers, I have come across this data. Coming to here, the introduction and chain surveying have been clubbed it, and here in the 2016 the weightage of these two chapters are 2, whereas 2017-18 it was less, but coming to here 2019 it has been 3. Now out of these things, so if I take introduction, you will be having basic principles of surveying, classifications of surveying, in that will be there. So from this, the question if I expect from introduction, that will be mostly regarding the principle of surveying. Okay, a whole two part like that. There are two principles, right? I am not going into the subject, just I am going the topic wise how they are covering. If I go for the 2019 paper, 3 marks are there. In that 1 mark has been asked from obstacles, chaining, obstacles in chaining, like that, and remaining 2 has been asked from the chain, metric chain, and 1 is regarding the tape. And so from chain surveying, the important topics I can say is corrections to the chain and tape. Next, metric chain, like different types of chains and their usages and their way, links, length, like that, and obstacle problems you may expect. And next chapter coming to the compass surveying, here earlier in 2016 the weightage of this compass surveying is 3 marks, and 2017 also is 3 marks, but later on it has been decreased. Don't expect the same, it will be decreased in the 2020 also, because this chapter is very important, not only for ESET. Every every competitive exam involves the compass surveying topics, right? So you know very well what is the different topics will be covered in this compass surveying is mainly the description of the prismatic compass. In that only you may expect the questions. And coming to the conversion, whole circle bearing to reduced bearing system conversion, and true bearing to magnetic bearing declination problems, and fore bearing and back bearing problems, like that you may expect the questions. Please go through this topic in a depth manner. And coming to the leveling and contouring, so here also same. Leveling means generally in 2016 you have expected you have gone 4 marks, but later on it has been distributed 1 to 2 marks, like that. Now the questions will be mostly from contouring only, and the definition part of your leveling means, what is the definition part of your leveling means, instrument component parts, axis of telescope, line of collimation, transiting, like that you will be having. Transiting will be not there for a W level, I'm sorry. And coming to the theodolite, the every year it is expecting 1 question, and that question will be from the definition point of view. Some keywords will be there, right? So same like that, line of axis, axis of telescope, transiting, reversing, plunging, face left, face right, like that. N number of definition part questions are there. They are asking the question from that one. Mostly I have seen the questions from what do you mean by transiting, like that, face left, face right, like that you have been expecting. And in that part only you will be having traversing. And see here in the compass surveying also you will be having traversing. And here I have seen one question regarding the local attraction correction, right? Coming to the traversing, here traversing, what is the traversing means? It will be they will be asking the questions on the latitude and departures, and what is a closed contour, closed traversing, open traversing, like that they are asking. And coming to the trigonometric leveling, there is no weightage till now, because this is completely what problematic based, heights and distance, and in this also the theodolite will be involved. So you give the least what preference to this topic. And coming to the tachyometry, see here n number of questions can be taken from tachyometry, because tachyometry is nothing but finding out the distance from the instrument station to the staff station without taking the tape measurement. That is D equals to Ks plus C formula will be there. Okay, so in that, what is multiplying constant, what is the additive constant, what is the regarding the analytical lens benefits, like that the questions may expect. Okay, next coming to the curves. See, in the earlier there is no weightage for curves, but later on from 2018 1 mark question is coming, and you can expect one question from this one regarding the definition. Elements of a curve you will be having, right? What is the tangent length of curve? Okay, next versed sine, mid ordinate, like that you have n number of questions. Based upon that they will be asking the questions, right? Next, minor instruments. Minor instruments, there is only once they have been asked regarding the 2070 only. It's more than 15 minutes is enough for completing this topic, minor instruments. Just what are the different types of minor instruments, just like Abney level, planimeter, pentagraph. What are the uses? If you study the uses, just more than enough. And coming to the last topic, that is advanced surveying, they are asking more questions on the GPS, satellites, receivers. Generally, how many satellites are there, like that they are asking. So every time one question is expecting. So this is the marks distribution. Totally now we can expect 8 to 9 marks from this surveying topic. So why I am giving the distribution means, because everyone may not be interested on the whole subject, but based upon this marks distribution also you may expect some interest, you can get some interest on the topics. So please do subscribe my channel for more videos on surveying, steel, RCS, like that. So utilize the lockdown and make sure that you'll be getting best integrated rank, that is below 1000. So everyone should get the free seat. Everyone should get free seat and get the best branch rank to get the best college, seat in best college. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and like, share and comment for more videos. Thank you.